guys, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. We're off to our friend Beth's house for the night. I'm bringing her a couple little garden blessings from my garden to hers. And we're gonna try and beat the sunset so we can see what she has set up in her garden. She's got a really sweet setup. So let's see if we can get there. So pretty. I forgot to let you know that there's a bear here. Puppy. Hi. You know what? Let me just grab my bearings first. Hi. Hi. Oh my God. Okay, let's go in the garden. So this has got a full-on garden gate. Check this out, guys. How cute. Oh, hi. I'm YouTubing.
It's not fun.
Hold on, I'm gonna come back here. Look how pretty. This is awesome. Let's go check out and see what she's got. It's nice that we had enough daylight. Oh, my indeterminate tomatoes are doing the same thing. They're just everywhere.
I have peppers and there's one celery that I have.
You've got celery?
I have 6.
Got some peppers.
Great.
Are these green onions?
Yep.
Where's the celery at? Oh, check this out, guys. Celery. I hear that's actually really hard to grow. I've never tried doing it before.
Really good.
Yeah?
Really tasty. Smells awesome.
Got some more peppers over here. Look at your cute little decor. So cute. Hi, doggy.
And then we've got pumpkins.
Pumpkins. That's another thing I don't know about growing again. Oh.
Raspberry bushes.
Excuse me.
Raspberries, and then the pumpkins are flowering, but we're not quite sure yet.
Oh, we've got a second garden pass over here.
So they closed up. These are pumpkins. And then all these are raspberry bushes.
Well, did you just plant these raspberry bushes this year?
Yeah, they've been here for 20-odd years.
And they're still producing, eh?
They're done,
Yeah.
but yeah, oh yeah. And just to plant like one raspberry bush alone is like $18.
Yeah. Yeah. So that is our friend Beth's garden. We just wanted to show. We're mostly just really excited about seeing this dog again. This is a new for those of you. Like, look at the size of the head on this thing. Right, Timber? Hi, baby.